It's raining outside. Thundering. Most people would not be out here getting the workout in. Hair, maybe they don't want to get, curly. That's all right, I understand. Or maybe you don't want to get your clothes wet. Maybe you're afraid to get sick. I get all that. But when your mind is set, nothing can stop you. Nothing. The rain, snow, nothing. Well, maybe there was a hurricane. I probably wouldn't be out here, but obviously. But you got to get it in. You just got to do it. I mean, this would probably be a perfect time for the gym. Get it in indoors. That's great. But maybe, you'll have time in the winter when it's cold to do that inside. Right now, it's raining, but the water feels great as you're working out and you're sweating. That water feels great on your body. It's fantastic. And you add the fit line that Advocare has, the pre, the intra, and the post. It just takes your workout to another level. I mean, I'm just in awe and impressed how they can come up with such a excellent source of nutrition supplements to just help you get better. So don't stop. It's raining, whatever. Who cares? Get out there. Get it done. You're worth it.